Maloku impela ke liyamehlula manje uthando ke luka Pablo bafuna ke ukulungisa izinto and take a way forward. Guys, hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 30th to the 4th of July 2025 on Monday. Has Pablo's plan worked? Will he have a gear up for the next phase? Minati makes a move on Lethukuhle on Tuesday. Pablo wants forever, but can Makhumalo risk everything? Ayanda intend to hit the road, but first she'll have to break a few rules and maybe still a baki on Wednesday. Iminati tried to right things, but Lethukuhle won't let her leave her mistakes down. Makhumalo struggled to keep her dealings with Pablo under wraps. Ayanda's driving lesson is a disastrous on Thursday. Pablo says or lays his heart bare before scared Makhumalo. Her new spark but between Lungelo and Ayanda, while Lethukuhle's troubles with Nkosinathi and Iminati worsened on Friday. Makhumalo makes a firm decision, leaving her family baffled. Iminati has wreaked havoc at the Lalas. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.